देखिए
शैलेश भाई हैं, डॉक्टर सिद्धर साहब हैं, किरण भाई हैं। आओ
आइए प्लीज कम वेलकम।
उर्वशी हाँ हाँ उर्वशी
चल पीछे आ जा चल चल सर जी
ये फोटो इधर ही हो जाएगा
मत
आइए प्लीज कम।
अभी मारो हाँ मैं वो मेल कर प्लीज बोलू हाँ सर चुप ना मत अभी बड़े आइए अरे शादब क्या कर रहा है
नहीं तुम्हें जल्दी
मत भाई मस्ती मत करा
ऊपर लिखते
लंबे लंबे दो
समय हारे रहो।
बताओ
मैडम नमस्कार। यहाँ के
आगे सब आगे
आराम से हेमा मालिनी जी the trustees
दादा साइड दादा
we all welcome them
ऐसा था एक
as they arrive for the inaugural function on the occasion of inauguration of SP Theatre. We welcome them for the evening for the inauguration of SP Auditorium on behalf of Lakshmi Narayan Trust and we welcome here Shri Panaj Joshi, all trustees, delegates and member of organization. It's a great occasion when it is the inauguration of SP Auditorium for all Mumbai. श्री हेमा मालिनी जिनके हाथों से आज दीप प्रागट्य आप सभी के हेमा मालिनी जी जैसे लाइटिंग ऑफ
इसको नहीं मिल रहा है ऐसा ज़्यादा पता चाहिए
अरे बैठा ना फेस पे बहुत हो गया फोटोग्राफर ये बचवा दी गेस्ट को बैठने दीजिए प्लीज
भड़क लिया हेमा
हेमा मालिनी जी प्लीज हैव सीट प्लीज
महाराष्ट्र पुलिस थोड़ा
सुहानी मौसम की नजाकत है, दिल की हसरतों ने उतारा है।
दोस्त अभी छोड़ो यार
हो गया।
प्लीज यार
The flags are flying and balloons are really waiting.
Good evening. Good evening. I declare SP Auditorium open for the people of Mumbai.
फौज से गुलफाम भेजा है, सितारों ने आसमान से ये पैगाम भेजा है, परियों की दुनिया ने आज आदाब भेजा है। आप सभी को मुबारक हो आज की शाम, यही सच्चे दिल से आप सभी को पैगाम भेजा है। आई रिक्वेस्ट नाउ श्री जग एंड श्री शैलेश पाइशा, डॉक्टर अनिल सुचर to come along with guest of honor. Shri Yogesh Shri Sagar, Shri Jairaj Bhai Thakkar, you are requested to come on stage, please.
एक जना और में जाओ।
He is always willing to help and have a very great caring nature. कई बार रिश्तों में इंसान अच्छे लगते हैं और कभी कभी इंसान इतने अच्छे होते हैं कि उनसे रिश्ता बनाना अच्छा लगता है। He is always willing to help and caring nature. इसीलिए हम कहेंगे कि इनसे रिश्ता बनाना एक खुदा की अपने पास भेंट नजराना होगा। Our trustee, Shri Kiran Bhai Patel. I would like to welcome Shri Kiran Bhai Patel on stage. Trustee of SP Foundation, Joint Managing Director of SP Group of Company. He is the main donor for SP Auditorium Complex and he works with the dedication and commitments. Leads the beautiful speech. Please Kiran Bhai Patel.
And Yogesh Bhai Sagar, our MLA, my colleague on the stage, and my dear brothers and sisters. I am delighted to welcome you all on this grand occasion of inauguration of ASPI State of Art Auditorium. I thank you all for a valuable presence. It's wisely quoted by a genius. One must never be afraid to try something new. Remember, amateur build Ark, professional build Titanic. I guess the minds of who conceptualize this auditorium work with a passionate idea. Most of us belong to a field of other than construction. इरादे तोड़ देते हैं, फिर भी लोग अपने इरादे तोड़ देते हैं। अगर सच्चे दिल से हो चाहत कुछ पाने की, तो सितारे भी अपनी जगह छोड़ देते हैं। We are grateful and thrilled to see all of you in such large numbers to witness ASPI Auditorium inauguration ceremony, which will be marked in the history of Malad as one of its kind. And this is only because of your gracious presence. Great efforts were made for construction of this auditorium, and today it proudly stands in Lakshmi Narayan complex. We feel proud to unveil this auditorium to the people of western suburb of Mumbai. We hope this auditorium will provide the platform to all the artists, old and new, strugglers and achievers. There was a dire need of good auditorium between Borivali and Vileparla, and we feel proud to have made one such auditorium to serve the people. It has taken almost 5 years to complete this monument and approximately 22 crores of rupees. Had it not been the generosity of the donors, the project would not have seen the light of this day. Here, I would like to mention that while the completion of this auditorium was in process, we were short of 2.5 crores. We were really stuck and did not know how. Very much to all the donors. आपके लिए we are thankful to all the donors and consultants who have stood by us in making this landmark in Malad. I must acknowledge the efforts of all the trustees and particularly Sailesh and Jagdish Kakkar, who have made this dream possible. It is the hard work of both Jugal Bandi, who have worked day and night with all other trustees and other consultants. I thank both of them, and I am very proud of both of them. Nelson Mandela remarked that it always seems impossible till it is done, and I am proud that we did it. The vision of this complex was dreamt by late Sri Keshavbhai Patel, Bailalbhai Patel, Dhirubhai Kakkar, Dr. N.V. Suchak, Lalubhai Patel, Dhirajlal Atawala and others who acquired this plot and built the holy temple of Lakshmi Narayan. It was their initial effort to construct Lakshmi Narayan temple and one hall for religious and cultural activities. God and Pujya Dongre Maharaj have all the dignitaries here, whom I can see from here is Dr. Shyam Agarwal and Dr. Ram Baro and other dignitaries which I can't see from here because the light is too heavy on me.
મનમાં બધાને ખબર થઈ ગઈ છે, ઝુકાવી છે ગરદન બધી ડાળીઓએ, ફૂલોની નીચી નજર થઈ ગઈ છે. Thank you. Excuse me, Hema Malini ji, this was Gujarati song, but it was dedicated to you. Yeah. Because we don't have this song any English version, so I cannot really, but it was in my voice for you, Hema Malini ji. And for, of course, Mara, હું જેમની ફેન છું, ફાલ્ગુની બેન, તમારા માટે થોડું શું. શાંત ઝરૂખે વાટની રખતી રૂપ નિરાણી જોઈ હતી, મેં એક શહેજાદી જોઈ હતી. એની આંખનું કાજળ હસતું હતું, એના હાથની રેખા હસતી હતી, એક નાનું સરખું પવન જાણે મૌસમ જોઈ વિકસતું હતું. Thank you, Falguni ji. Thank you very much. Dr. Anil Suchak is on dais, and I'm delighted to have Dr. Anil Suchak today on the
singer, Dandiya Queen, very, very popular, Shrimati Falguni Pathak, Shri Sharadbhai Patel, Shri Kiranbhai Patel, Jagdish Kakkar, Shri Yogesh Sagar, Shri Jairaj Bhai, Shailu Bhai, and all the distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, everybody. On behalf of trustees of Lakshmi Narayan Trust and Vaikunth Charitable Trust, I welcome you all to magnificent monument to the people of Mumbai. Their efforts in every way, especially with respect to the financial aspect, is praiseworthy. It is with the contribution, hard work and perseverance of all dedicated group effort that this beautiful dream has come true. At this point, I would like to congratulate my dear friends, touching the mind of the future generation. In the hallowed ground of Lord Sri Lakshmi Narayan, with the social functions held here, it will be the ultimate celebrating achievements, relationship and life. I pray to Lord Lakshmi Narayan to bless the SP Auditorium with all the greatness. Thanks a lot. Thanks for the patient hearing.
It's a time for felicitation for our chief guest today's evening. I'll request Shri Sharadbhai Patel. They will felicitate our chief guest, the great actress Hema Malini ji. Dr. Anil Suchak, our honored guest for today's evening, the Dandiya Queen, Falguni Ji Pathak. Thank you very much. Shri Yoga Sagar Ji. For them the felicitation, I'll request Shri Sailesh Bhai Shah. With the flower bouquet, Shri Sailesh Bhai Shah. We welcome you here on the stage. Shri Yogi Sagar Ji, जिनका सम्मान कर रहे हैं श्री शैलेश भाई शाह। एंड श्री जयराज भाई, श्री जयराज भाई जिनका स्वागत और अभिवादन करेंगे श्री जगदीश भाई खक्खर। I request Shri Jagdish Ji Khakkar. They will felicitate Shri Jairaj Bhai Thakkar. Thank you very much. Thank you.
कम पड़ रहा था और हम बहुत चिंतित थे। तो मैंने आपको जैसे बताया कि एक फरिश्ता आया और उन्होंने हमें 2.5 करोड़ रुपया दिया और वो फरिश्ता और कोई नहीं, सुरेश भाई है, सुरेश भाई बकरिया जी। सुरेश भाई जी, मैं आपके लिए एक 4 पंक्तियाँ पहले बोलूँ, बाद में आप ऊपर आइए। तकदीर से तब हमें हिस्सा मिलता है, प्यार भरा कोई जब रिश्ता।
ये प्रसंग 7 रंगों से खिला है आज इंद्रधनु का अंग, चलक उठा है जब खुशियों का रंग और आप सब जब यहाँ है संग संग। देखो जल उठे हैं दिए और खिल उठे हैं आज यहाँ नए नए तरंग। स्वागत और अभिवादन with inauguration of SB Auditorium. Now it's time, yes, of course, to introduce the person who is on dais, but yes, of course, is waiting for some few words from my side. It's my privilege, of course, yes, to say some few words. Shri Jagdish Bhai Khakkar, a man of finance. Please give him a very big hand. Yes, तुम्हारी सभी तालियों जोरदार होनी चाहिए. Man of finance floor. Banquet hall has been dedicated to his respected mother, पूज्य मातुश्री पुष्पाबेन धीरजलाल खक्कर। तुम्हारी तालियां तो होगी चाहिए। Invaluable contribution towards this auditorium. We are really thankful to Shri Jagdish Bhai Khakkar. Thank you very much. We are feeling so happy with a great personality. And now is the time, yes, of course, a happy journey starts from this stage, all the artists. But the whole, I will say the 50% yes credit goes to
મને લાગે છે કે આપણે બધા ગુજરાતીઓ છે તો હું થોડું ગુજરાતીમાં ચલાવી લઉં. ડિસ્ટિંગ્વિશ ગેસ્ટ મેમ્બર ઓફ પાર્લામેન્ટ હેમા માલિનીજી, દાંડિયા ક્વીન ફાલ્ગુનીજી પાઠક, અમારા પરમ મિત્ર જયરાજભાઈ ઠક્કર, અમારા વૈકુંઠધામ ચેરિટેબલ અને લક્ષ્મીનારાયણના બંને મુખ્ય પિલરો શરદભાઈ પટેલ અને કિરણભાઈ પટેલ, અનિલભાઈ સુચક, યોગેશભાઈ સાગર અને મારું હાર્ટ ધડકતું હોય જેના નામથી એવા મારા પરમ મિત્ર જગદીશભાઈ ખક્કર. આ ઓડિટોરિયમ બનાવવા માટે બધાએ મહેનત કરી છે, એવું કશું નથી કે મેં એકલાએ મહેનત કરી છે. બધાનો સાથ હતો, બધાનો સહકાર હતો. એવો બધા ટ્રસ્ટીઓ વૈકુંઠધામ થઈ ગયા અને એમના પુત્રો અને બહારના બીજા બધા ઘણા બધા આ નવા ટ્રસ્ટમાં જોડાયા અને જોડાયા પછી જે જૂના ટ્રસ્ટીઓના દીકરાઓ અને બધા શરૂઆત કરવા ગયા, જે પૈસા આવ્યા તે બધા પૈસા વપરાઈ ગયા અને પછી અમે વિચાર કરતા હતા કે હવે શું કરશું. ત્યારે જ ખબર પડી અને અમે બધાને બેંક માટેની લોન આમ તેમ બધા પ્રયત્નો કરતા હતા. ત્યારે સંજોગવસ્થા સુરેશભાઈ ભગરિયા અમને કોઈ લગ્નમાં મળી ગયા. મેં એમને વાત કરી કે સુરેશભાઈ આ રીતે તકલીફ થોડા પૈસાની કદાચ થઈ શકશે. સુરેશભાઈ અમે તમને વંદન કરીએ છીએ અને આ રીતે અમારું આ કાર્ય જોરથી શરૂ થયું. પરિમલભાઈ અને અવિનાશભાઈ કામનો જે અમને દોરી સંચાર આપ્યો હતો, કિરણભાઈ અને બચ્ચુ કાકા અમને ગાઈડન્સ આપવા માંડ્યા. અને આ કેવું છે કે આપણે આચાર્યનું નામ આવે એટલે લોકો દૂર ભાગી જાય, લોકો એની પાસે બિલ લઈને જાય નહીં. એ કે ભાઈ તમે કામ પૂરું કરો પછી હું પૈસા અપાવીશ. ગૌતમ આચાર્ય અહીંયા 24/7 મહેનત કરી છે, ખૂબ મહેનત સાથે હાજર રહ્યા. એમનું જ્ઞાન અમને ખૂબ કામ આવ્યું. એ રીતે અમારી સાથે જે જોડાયેલા છે, જેમણે સાઉન્ડનું કામ કર્યું છે એવા સોમભાઈ, અમારી સાથે જેમણે લાઇટનું કામ કર્યું છે એવા ભૌતેશભાઈ, આ સ્ટેજ અને પડદાનું જેણે કામ કર્યું છે એવા શ્રી મનોજભાઈ, અને સીટો જેણે અમને અહીંયા સપ્લાય કરી છે અનમોલભાઈ, આ બધાના અમે ખૂબ આભારી છીએ. કિરણભાઈ અને અહીંયા મારું હું બધાનો આભાર માનીને મારું વક્તવ્ય પૂરું કરું છું. અને એક સરસ લાઈન મને આજે સવારે કોઈ આપી હતી, હું બોલું છું. ભગવાન કા દિયા કભી અલ્પ નહીં હોતા.
And he has given the beautiful auditorium to people. When you meet him, you get something, and he always gives something. In and all, a man of greatness. We cannot express in words the great personality to invite on stage. We are thankful to you, Avinash Bhai Parekh. Apna खूब खूब आभार. Gautam Ji Acharya, come on stage. A man of interior designer, I would like to call upon Shri Parimal Mehta, Shilpakar. Shri Parimal Mehta, please come on stage. Patthar ko paras, our dream into a reality. The next appreciation memento, Shri Rasik Bhai Hingu. Shri Rasik Bhai Hingu, we welcome you. In a small plot, such a big complex, such a great auditorium has been only possible due to architecture, Shri Rasik Bhai Hingu. The marathon efforts, Rasik Bhai Hingu. The next felicitation, Mr. M.R. Patil, we request you to come on stage. Is an RCC consultant, has made principal design of SP Auditorium, Shri M.R. Patil. Shri Gautam Ji Acharya, who will accept this memento. Thank you. Shri Soham Ji Vyas, Auditorium. Thank you, Soham Bhai. It's the time now to call upon Shri Manoj Pilwal stage and curtain work, a presentable stage just for Mumbai Gas and Malad people. Thank you. A few things about it. He has not taken any charges for his work done. That's really come and receive the appreciation memento, Shri Cher Bhai, who has helped a lot in making success of SP Auditorium. Thank you. Thank you, Paresh bhai. And I would like to call upon
Karji, Sailesh, Shahji. I feel extremely happy to be the chief guest of today's function, to inaugurate this beautiful auditorium, SP Auditorium, which is supposed to be the state-of-art creation by the most enthusiastic trustees of Lakshmi Narayan Temple, and many other talented people have joined together to create this beautiful auditorium. I'm really happy to be here. In Mumbai, we have one more lovely auditorium. Though we need many more. I personally feel every place we need. We have one in Ville Parle, Bhaidas, Shanmukhanda. Then further you go down, we have NCP. And after that, we will not Ravindranath Mandir, which is supposed to be very good, but in a very bad shape today. And many others, but this particular theatre is made for performing arts, for cultural activities, religious activities, educational, for the society. It's a multi-purpose auditorium, beautifully done. I really appreciate the way you people have taken the initiative and created this. And as I said, we definitely need many more, because you can see nowadays cultural activities are becoming more and more. It's growing so much. The children are so highly talented children we have today. And they are all always wanting to explore and show their talent somehow or other. They need a proper platform and a very appreciative audience they need to really enhance their talent. And we can see on television how beautiful the children are dancing or singing. Apart from academic knowledge, what they are receiving from schools and colleges, but they are definitely interested in cultural activities, which is very, very wonderful to see. It wasn't there before. We all used to be just work in films and then dance, that's it. But nowadays, so much of exposure is there, and definitely they need a theatre, something like this. And it's very, very beautifully done. And I wish I can also come and perform here. Because I always perform in ISKCON Theatre, Bhakti Kala Kshetra, then Bhaida, Shanmukhanda. These are the 2-3 places I keep dancing. But apart from that, I have seen many theatres in Mumbai, which is very new, and then they will invite me, you have to perform. Very wonderfully done, everything is perfect. But after next 2 years you go there, it is in a bad state. It is not maintained well. So I don't want it to happen. So we all have to work hard. You have so many farishtas coming and donating you. It is your duty now. You have created, but see that you maintain well always. Be very strict with all the artists who are coming and performing. They should not throw things here and there. And then after this show is where it should be cleaned well and it kept well, you know. Just maintain it. That's very, very important. Creating is not very, it is difficult, but more than that, you have to now maintain it. So I really congratulate all of you who have taken part in this and wish you all good luck. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Hema Malini ji. It's our privilege, yes, of course. On this stage, हम यही कहेंगे कि रहे चांद सितारे ज़िलमिल और लहर सन किनारे रहे. इस स्टेज पर हेमा मालिनी जी, आप हमेशा हमारे साथ रहे. I request Shri Jagdish Kakkar to come on stage, say for vote of thanks. We request आप सबनी ताड़ियों अटकी जाए छे. खबर नहीं क्यों? Happy गया छे?
Dear friends, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our dear Dr. Shyam Agrawal. It is a privilege and honor to extend a word of thanks to this memorable occasion. Honorable Srimati Hema Malini ji, Falguni Pathak ji, Sri Manoj Joshi ji, I, on behalf of trustees of Lakshmi Narayana Trust and trustees of Vankut Charitable Trust, convey hearty thanks for gracious presence on the inauguration of our dream converted into reality. We, the trustees of Lakshmi Narayana Trust and Vankut Charitable Trust, express gratitude and thanks to all the donors for the generous financial support without which the day would not have come. I heartily thank all the invited guests for the encouragement by gracing the function. A special thanks to the
Always performance. Yes, of course, there is an entertainment program for all of you. And here, present chief guest and guest of honor, we request you to join us for the next performances also, because I am sure you are going to enjoy this. As this is the inauguration of SP Theatre Auditorium, we all have a great functions over here. You are going to enjoy Harshit Chauhan, Rock and Soul Entertainment, and the band just for you, the rocking Harshit Chauhan.
आज एसपी ऑडिटोरियम का ओपनिंग हुआ है, जिसका इनॉग्रेशन मैंने किया है। मुझे बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है। परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स के लिए, कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए इतना अच्छा सा एक ऑडिटोरियम बनाया है। मलाड के लोगों के लिए, यहाँ के रहने वालों के लिए बहुत अच्छा एक मौका है। इस थिएटर का अच्छी तरह से इस्तेमाल करेंगे। ये बहुत ही सुंदर बनाया हुआ है। ऐसा और भी मैं चाहती हूँ मुंबई में और भी बने। और ये जरा बंद करो ना दरवाजा। हो गया। हाँ और क्या ये दिल्ली में प्याज की जो अरे दिल्ली आपकी क्या कहना है दिल्ली के बारे में? I want to talk about auditorium. Ask me. Nothing else.
कितना एंजॉय करें आप मैडम? इससे कलाकारों को यहाँ
किया है, तो आपको क्या लग रहा है कि कहीं ना कहीं थिएटर खत्म नहीं हो रहा है, ये लगातार बढ़ सकता है?
बिल्कुल अच्छी बात है, क्योंकि ये थिएटर बहुत परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स लाइक डांस, म्यूजिक, ड्रामा के लिए, कलाकारों के लिए एक बढ़ावा होगा इसमें से, क्योंकि और भी अच्छे अच्छे थिएटर्स बनने चाहिए हमारे पूरे मुंबई में। मुंबई शहर में इतना बड़ा शहर है, इतनी आबादी है, और परफॉर्मेंस का इतना अच्छा थिएटर है ही नहीं, और जो है जो बनाते हैं उसको अच्छी तरह से मेंटेन नहीं करते हैं। अभी मैंने मुलुंद में और न्यू बॉम्बे में, वाशी में सब अच्छे अच्छे थिएटर्स थे, वहाँ पे परफॉर्म भी किया, बहुत खुशी हुई मुझे। लेकिन बाद में सेकंड ईयर मुझे जब बुलाया वहाँ पे देखा था, बहुत दुख हुआ कि ये क्या हो गया। तो मैं यही इनसे रिक्वेस्ट किया, इतना खर्चा करके इन्होंने इतना सुंदर से बनाया है, इसका मेंटेन करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। इसके साथ जितने भी कलाकार भी आएंगे उनका भी एक दायित्व बनता है कि इसका मेंटेन करें।
मैम आज का इवेंट आपने कितना एंजॉय किया?
हाँ
मैम आज का इवेंट आपने कितना एंजॉय किया?
आज का इवेंट अभी हो रहा है ना, एंजॉय कर रही है।
आप थिएटर आर्टिस्ट के लिए कुछ एक मैसेज देना चाहेंगी?
हाँ?
थिएटर जो आर्टिस्ट जो थिएटर करेंगे उनके लिए कोई एक मैसेज जो आप देना चाहेंगे?
थिएटर आर्टिस्ट
एक्सपीरियंस है
या मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है, दिस थिएटर इज वेरी नाइस फॉर अ सोलो परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ डांस and not like a ballet and all, which I do ballet with 20 boys and girls performing. Maybe this is little small, but for a drama के लिए बहुत ही correct सही theatre है, because sound effect everything is very wonderful it is. Only thing they should maintain it, क्योंकि वो जब ड्रामा होता है, मराठी ड्रामा या कोई भी ड्रामा होता है, तो सेटिंग्स लगाते हैं। जो सेटिंग्स जब लगाते हैं तो कीला वेला बहुत ठोकना पड़ता है, तो वो उसको अवॉइड करते हुए यू विल हैव टू मेंटेन इट, बिकॉज इज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल जो लकड़ी का जो स्टेज बनता है डांस करने के लिए भी होता है। हम लोग डांस जब करते हैं हमें पाँव में लगे नहीं, इसके लिए हमें ये देखना पड़ता है। लेकिन जब ड्रामा करते हैं वो लोग सेट लगा के निकल जाते हैं, फिर बाद में वो सब रह जाते हैं।
कहीं ना कहीं खत्म हो रही है, क्या आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता? एकल अभिनय की आत्मा, जो कि एकल अभिनय को कहा जाता है थिएटर की आत्मा है, उससे ज्यादा
अभी वो खत्म हो रहा है, क्योंकि इस टाइप का थिएटर और बनेगा तो और मिलेगा, अच्छा मौका और मिलेगा। गणपति बापा मौर्य। गणपति के इस शुभ अवसर पर मैं आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई देती हूँ। मैंने भी मेरे भी घर में गणपति रखा है, तो मुझे जल्दी जाकर आरती करना है।